Hello, my name is Don Malloy, and I'm the chairman of the Oath Initiative. Today, I would like to briefly introduce our organization to you and explain why we're working with the Passwordless Alliance to help usher in the passwordless era. The Oath Initiative is the organization behind the development and the global adoption of the international OTP standards, the HOTP and the TOTP. These are currently used worldwide. Our OTP technology was a breakthrough in password security. By adding a 6-digit constantly changing code after entering a static password, we significantly reduced the risk of password-based attacks. This approach is used by virtually all major corporations: Google, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, and many others worldwide. However, OTP technology does have its limitations. While it securely authenticates the user, it assumes that the online service that the user is connecting to is legitimate. If a user knowingly visits a phishing site and enters their password and OTP, both can be stolen. This has been the root flaw of all traditional authentication systems. They are designed based upon the assumption that the server is trustworthy. But in reality, that is not always the case. To address this issue, in 2024, the ITUT, the International Telecommunications Union, introduced a new standard, the X.1280. This standard flips the authentication flow. Instead of the user entering code into the system displays a 6-digit code to the user, and the user verifies it on their smartphone before entering any biometric authentication. This approach introduces server authentication before user authentication. As a result, the users can confirm that the online service is genuine before providing their biometric credentials. This creates mutual authentication, making the process more secure and placing the burden of proof on the system, not on the user. In addition, unlike FIDO or passkeys, which require biometric sensors on every device, X.1280 enables out-of-band biometric authentication using just a smartphone. This means that even on laptops or PCs without fingerprint sensors, the users can still authenticate securely and cost-effectively. Having led the OTP standardization and adoption for the past 20 years, the Oath Initiative is now proud to join the Passwordless Alliance. We are committed to promoting the X.1280 standard and our free implementation, Passwordless X.1280, across North America, where we are based. And just as we're done in France, in Korea, and Ecuador, we aim to deploy this technology in real-world B2C online services, helping consumers enjoy more secure, convenient, and cost-effective online access. If you're among those that want to authenticate and accelerate the passwordless future, I invite you to join one of the upcoming passwordless training sessions hosted by the Oath Initiative. Thank you, and have a great day.